Flutter tutorial create study app. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your terminal. Type Flutter Doctor to check the completeness of your Flutter data. This command ensures that Flutter and its dependencies are properly installed on your system. Then create a new project by typing Flutter create study_app. After the project is created, type cd study_app to enter the project directory so you can begin working inside the newly created app. Next, type code to open the project folder in Visual Studio Code, which will allow you to access and edit your Flutter files. Open the folder named lib, which contains the main code for your Flutter app. Then, open the file named main.dart to access the coding centered project. Type the program for the main page. Create a folder named models. Then create a file named study_item.dart and type the program to organize the lesson data model. Next, create a folder named pages and then create a file named home_page.dart. Enter the following program. For the script, you can copy it from the pinned comment below. Reopen the terminal and type Flutter run to run the program and launch the app in a connected device or emulator.